What is good, YouTube? Welcome back with another video. So now we're in season 2 of the rebuilding the Sixers part 2. Now we have here's the lineup right now. We have LeBron James, Hassan Whiteside, Nerlens Noel, Tyler Zeller, Karl Anthony Towns, Tim Hardaway Jr., Emmanuel Mudiay, Justice Winslow, Chris Humphries, Stanley Johnson, Devin Harris, Jerian Grant, PJ Tucker, Jacquire Sampson. Now, I have way too many small forwards. I'm gonna trade some of my small forwards. I have way too many, let me just trade some of my small forwards real quick. I'm not trading LeBron Brown until we can get some justice, because I have Stanley, I believe. We kind of do need power forward. Could get another center, but go get out Horford. I'm gonna have him for 1 year though. Chandler Parsons, Jackson. Could go for them guys. Monte? No. I just want to get rid of some of my small forwards. What about Stanley Johnson? Oh no. I'm actually kind of looking for a shooting guard. Wait. Let's see what I can get for Rudy Gobert. Let's see what I can get for Rudy Gobert. Get rid of Tim Hardaway Jr. Why would you want LeBron James? That's probably the worst trade ever. How about Dante Exum? Dante Exum and Rudy Gobert. Mudiay. Nope. I'm not giving up my Mudiay. What about Jalil? And I could get Tony Roten back. I don't know who I traded. That's on the Jazz. I might have traded. No, I didn't trade it for a draft pick. What did I trade? What did I trade for? Tony Roten. I forgot. But we can just get Tony Roten back. And I'll also get Rudy Gobert. And give them their draft pick back. So we take it. We're just gonna submit the season, so I'm pretty sure we're gonna make the playoffs. I uploaded another video maybe like 25 minutes ago. It's one of my first ever universe video. Crazy mattresses are crazy. Trade. No, I ain't giving that Mudiay. We're not doing good, even though we have LeBron on there. Not doing good. Right now we're starting to win. Ooh, that's a good. Mudiay. I'm predicting that Mudiay is getting Rookie of the Year or Karl Anthony Towns. I have 5 rookies, so one of them better win Rookie of the Year. It better not let Jalil win it. So, I don't know yet about New York. Pretty sure I'm going on Thursday. Hopefully that happens. Get to record with my partner in crime. We're doing a whole Batman series, except we're not playing Arkham Knight. But we are going to be playing Arkham Origins, Arkham Asylum, and Arkham City, and we're getting all those games done in 4 days for you guys. So that means there's going to be upload after upload after upload. So make sure you guys get ready for that. Oh, D'Angelo Russell for Mudiay. I don't know. I'm gonna wait. No, because I want to wait for next year and see how Mudiay does. So, come on. We're 27-19. Just lost, but we beat the Pistons. The Magic won Stanley Johnson from Nicholas. No, I'm good, bro. I'm good, broski. Okay, so give me Draymond Green for Karl Anthony Towns. I'm not giving up any young guys. No, none of my young guys. No matter if it's Draymond Green. Only if they would offer me like Steph Curry, yeah, I would have took it. But oh, Jimmy Butler. He could really help out this team, and I believe I have another center in Nerlens as well. So I'm taking this. Give me Jimmy Butler. I just traded away one of my guys. And when people in the Oscar game, slam dunk contest, nope. The Los Angeles Clippers. None of my guys. And the Rising Stars Challenge ended. Was any of my guys in there? Karl Towns just traded him away. 19 and 12 boards. And Nerlens was in there with 15 and 11 boards. And then on Stars, I had Moutier with 2 points and 2 rebounds, 3 assists, 2 steals. Okay. Let's go. Let's continue simulating. No. Ooh, make that good trade to get Jimmy Butler. I believe we can win a championship this year unless we meet the Thunder in the finals, and then we're gonna lose. Just before I say it's time to go. Hey, we beat the Warriors. That's what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about, baby.